saw this fish behind this little area over here. I threw my egg a few times, and the third time he tore after it. That was cool. This is really skinny water. I didn't know if I'd find anything. Well, he went after it. This is a pretty fish. This is what I was looking for. An area where nobody else was. Oh, there's a fish joining him now. Thinks he's spawning. Oh yeah, there's 3 fish here. 3 fish. I don't know if this is a hen or just a male. Oh, it's hard to get over here though. Seriously? In and out. Shoot. Good God. Your head. Back this way. Oh my God. It's so hard to net these fish by yourself. This is a beautiful, oh, and the hook is out. Holy crap. Oh, this is a beautiful steelhead. Beautiful steelhead. Let's get rid of you. Yep. We have 11 and 18, 11 and 16, roughly 27 inch steelhead. You are not going to sit still for me. All right, let's hold you up first. That is a beautiful 27 inch steelhead. This is a male because he's leaking sperm on me.